Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a fun, relaxing activity for you to try out. We are making clothespin puppets. That's all right. All you need is a clothespin or a few of them if you want to make more than one, some tape or glue, paper, markers, crayons, things to decorate with, and you are ready to go. So all you do is whatever character you make, you just need a top half and a bottom half. And you put the top half on the top portion of the clothespin and the bottom half of your character on the bottom part of the clothespin. That way, when you pinch the clothespin, it looks like they're talking or eating or moving their mouth, whatever you need them to do. And you can make so many different kinds of characters and create so many different fun stories using your clothespin puppets. So I'm excited to see what stories you all come up with when you're making your clothespin puppets. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.